400 square yard is one size which is very rare in Saudi. In fact, there are very few colonies जहाँ पे 400 गज की आपको ऑप्शन मिलती है, 400 गज की प्रॉपर्टीज होती हैं. So we are at GK2 on one of the most wide road of GK2, and today we are going to show you something which is very rare. A 400 square yards, absolutely ready to move basement ground duplex, built with at most high specifications. Northeast facing है, वास्तु compliant है, वास्तु friendly है, and has everything top notch. This is the kind of beautiful elevation you get along with it. Now let me take you inside to showcase this beautiful basement ground duplex in GK2. Whenever you are buying a home, एक सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ जो होती है वो होती है प्लानिंग. क्योंकि प्लानिंग ऐसी है कि एक बार घर बनने के बाद, एक बार बिल्डिंग बनने के बाद यू कैन नॉट चेंज द मेजर थिंग्स. सो इस बेसमेंट ग्राउंड ट्रिप्लेक्स कॉम्बिनेशन के अंदर आपको नॉर्मली एक लिफ्ट मिलती है जो इंटरनल लिफ्ट होती है बेसमेंट ग्राउंड की, बट इन दिस you also get a secondary lift जो कि एक common lift है. So you have the advantage of the common lift also, plus an internal connected lift. The first thing we notice when we enter this home is this beautiful door over here. I have seen covered so many properties on South Delhi floors, but I have not personally seen this color. What a beautiful color combination, you know, जो एक darker wooden shade और साथ में black का जो combination है, that is looking absolutely amazing. Then you also have a Yale top of the line biometric access card, a multiple point system, lock system जो इसमें install किया हुआ है. You also have a video phone installed by Panasonic, and as you enter, this is the kind of white fur you get along with it. So you have a beautiful light fixture over here. एक सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ जब आप एक घर लेते हैं, इवन 500 स्क्वायर यार्ड, 800 स्क्वायर यार्ड, एट टाइम्स उसके अंदर पूजा रूम नहीं निकल पाता. बट दिस प्रॉपर्टी हैज़ बीन प्लान्ड सो वेरी वेल दैट यू हैव अ डेडिकेटेड पूजा रूम ओवर हियर. व्हाट एन अमेजिंग प्लानिंग. दिस वाइडर फायर टेक्स अस टू द किचन. किचन राइट साइड पे है, बट लेट मी शो यू द लिविंग रूम फर्स्ट. वाओ, व्हाट एन अमेजिंग साइज. A very beautiful living room area. So you have this light fixture, a really gorgeous light fixture over here. जितनी भी aircon है, you have a ductable aircon over here. So this is the kind of orientation you get along with it. A very, very spacious living room area. You also have a full size of the balcony along with it. Now let me take you to the balcony. जो ग्राउंड फ्लोर की बालकनी होती है वो हर फ्लोर में सबसे बड़ी होती है. इन दिस बेसमेंट ग्राउंड ट्रिप्लेक्स कॉम्बिनेशन you almost get a 8 to 9 feet wide balcony. This would be so very useful अगर आप अपना यहाँ पे coffee table place करना चाहते हैं, you want to host your family and friends in the evening, so this would be an ideal spot for it. And this is the kind of wider road you get along with it. Very approachable, very easy to enter, very easy to exit from here. One of the finest locations of GK2. This home has been made as per the new height, new coverage. तो आपको जो height मिलती है बहुत amazing height है. So this kind of height आपके घर के अंदर whole day you will have ample of natural light and ventilation. जितने भी fans हैं, these are remote operated fans. Italian stone flooring over here. It has been done with the exact figure matching. तो अगर आप जैसे ये pattern देखेंगे, so different pieces of stone को किस तरह से place करके ये figure matching की जाती है, that is called as an optimum, you know, execution. Adjacent to the living room, we have the first bedroom. A pretty decent size, good size bedroom over here. Now this bedroom also shares the same balcony जो आपको living room के साथ मिलती है. So they have left this additional space. आप यहाँ पे चाहें तो आप अपना work table install कर सकते हैं, और if you need more closet, you can also install a closet over here. And this is the bathroom that is attached. Right before the bathroom, एक L shape के अंदर they have created a walk-in closet with best of the finish. So you have a mirror also over here. This is how the closet looks from inside. So finish wise, जो colors use हुए हैं, जो combinations use हुए हैं, matte finish के अंदर, it's really beautiful. Look at the way they have जो doors यहाँ पे install करे हैं, very beautiful. दो tones को use करके, एक lighter और darker tone को use करके. So the whole house revolves around a very subtle theme, and a pretty good size of the washroom over here. Now it's very walkable, very good size. You have these beautiful lights already installed in the false ceiling. Then you have a good size looking glass mirror with built-in light over here. जो sanitary fittings है, These are by Kohler. Kohler is one of the best brands. So you have Kohler fittings, a good vanity over here. Darker stone use किया है, Italian stone with an amazing finish जो cladding use करी है यहाँ पे different sizes के stones को एक साथ add करके. Now this is the WC and that's your shower cubicle area. The whole house has Kohler fittings. Kohler is one of the best brand in terms of serviceability. ये भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है कि आप जो फिटिंग्स लगा रहे हैं उसकी सर्विस कैसी है. सो Kohler is one of the best brand with utmost quick service. So adjacent to the living room, the kitchen has been placed over here, and very smartly they have installed this partition over here with fluted glass. In fact, a frosted fluted glass. So अगर आपके guest हैं, you don't want them to see inside the kitchen, you can absolutely segregate it from the foyer area. Beautiful orientation. So you have this storage space over here. You have a separate veggie washer and a dirty kitchen over here. जितने भी appliances हैं, Blaupunkt की appliances हैं, so you have an inbuilt hob and chimney over here. You also have the same एक uniformity को maintain करते हुए Blaupunkt का ही inbuilt microwave and oven have been placed over here. That's the space for refrigerator. क्योंकि नई हाइट है, न्यू कवरेज है, तो आपको जो स्टोरेज मिलती है वो बिल्कुल नीचे से लेके ऊपर तक मिलती है. जितने भी ड्रॉर्स हैं सारी हेटिक के सॉफ्ट लैंडिंग फिक्चर्स हैं. Ample space they have provided over here. Made this kitchen more usable. They have also placed a shaft over here. You know, this kind of shaft brings a lot of fresh air and ventilation to the kitchen. जितना मर्जी exhaust हो, you still need more ventilation. So this suffices that. Planning wise, this apartment, this duplex is absolutely perfect. Now we have seen the living room, we have seen the first bedroom, we have seen the kitchen. You also have an option to install a door over here. So if you install a door over here, your rest of the house gets absolutely private. Now, can you imagine that they have concealed the powder washroom over here? They have done paneling so very well that it's really difficult for me to make out कि यहाँ पे एक powder washroom है. Wow, a very beautiful powder washroom. Look at the oval shaped mirror they have installed. एक dark theme के अंदर ये powder washroom है. Kohler की fittings है. So this has this diffused golden fitting of Kohler with a black basin over here. A darker stone has been used and it's a pretty decent size, a good size of the washroom, the powder washroom they have created over here. जो इसकी location है, जो इसकी placement है, that is absolutely very strategic. So बिल्कुल जो घर के entrance के सामने ही ये place है living room के. So आपके जो guest हैं, it would be very easy for them to access this powder washroom without disturbing the whole house. So over here we have the private lift. So the lift is not working right now, they've not switched it on yet. So आपकी common lift के अलावा you also have this internal lift. They have given this golden color glass door lift only for the use of the basement ground triplex. So एक आपको internal lift का option भी है and इसके अलावा you also have a common lift over here. Now very beautiful false ceiling they have done over here. So to add some variety, to add some warmth, they have done this brown color, the wooden false ceiling over here. And look at the way different geometric patterns को use करते हुए, different stones को use करते हुए, the kind of inlay they have done over here. So it's very subtle, very minimalistic, but it's looking really beautiful. Moving forward to the second bedroom. So this is the smallest of the bedroom, but size अगर आप देखोगे छोटा नहीं है. It's very practical. आप इसको kids bedroom बना सकते हैं, guest bedroom बना सकते हैं, या फिर आप अपने normal bedroom की तरह use कर सकते हैं. It's a fairly manageable size. So they have given this window over here. Right now it's being done over here. जितनी भी aircon है और ductable VRV aircon they have placed over here. And this is the washroom you get along with it. Washrooms के जो size है वो बहुत amazing है. Very walkable, very good size of washroom. So different stone use करे हैं. A beige stone in the flooring they have used on the walls also. A slightly darker stone they have used as on the countertop. Diffused gold के अंदर Kohler की fittings हैं. Very beautiful shape of the बेसिन दे हैव गिवन ओवर हियर। अगर आपने नोटिस किया होगा कि हमने जो भी बेडरूम देखा था उसके अंदर कोई भी क्लोजेट नहीं था। द रीजन बी यू हैव अ फुल 1 2 3 4 a 4-door closet right inside the washroom, so that makes it super useful. That's your area for the WC. उसके साथ में ही a very good size of the shower cubicle. Again, जो fittings हैं top end finishing they have done. This is diffused gold के अंदर Kohler की fittings है with such a beautiful looking rain shower, which is good in size also, and it's looking really nice also. And you also have these openable windows over here, which makes it super useful. So this was the second bedroom. Now let me take you to the third bedroom. Wow, again a good size of the bedroom they have placed over here. Is bedroom के अंदर the variety they have added is they have installed this very earthen looking, very soothing wooden flooring over here. Now to add some variety, जो fall ceiling है, new height, lights बड़ी amazing लग रही हैं fall ceiling के अंदर. Very simplistic design they have done over here, but to add some warmth, some variety, they have given this wooden looking fall ceiling at this patch of this bedroom. इस bedroom के साथ में आपको you get this additional space, so you have a good size of window over here. Now this space you can very well place some good you can create a sitting over here, you can place your work table over here, or if you need more storage you can also create some wardrobe over here. Now let me quickly take you inside the third bathroom, which is attached to the third bedroom. L shape के अंदर they have given this walk-in closet. This they have done in this glass finish over here. So हर bedroom के साथ में जो आपको closet section मिलता है वो आपको बोरिंग नहीं लगेगा, because you have different style of the wardrobes done over here. So full L shape के अंदर है. इस तरह का closet space आपको normally 400 गज के अंदर नहीं मिलता, 500 या बड़े साइज की प्रॉपर्टी से मिलता है. But in this they have made sure to make it very practical कि जितना maximize हो सके storage space they have tried to give that. Just look at the way जो ये stone का combination ये black color की fittings का नज़ारा है. This has this diffused black color fittings by Kohler, including a black color basin over here to add some variety. जो vanity का color है that's a little lighter tone, and this beautiful looking darker stone, a darker European stone over here. Good looking glass mirror with the built-in light they have given over here. In fact, to add to the practicality, they have created these niches with inbuilt lighting, so you can place something which is useful for your bathroom. And this is the shower cubicle. I really love the way they have used these slim black color profile to segregate the shower cubicle area. And this bathroom has the top of the line Kohler की जो top range है. You have this body jet system over here with different temperature control systems over here. A good size, a beautiful shower cubicle over here. So a very walkable and spacious looking washroom they have created over here. So we have covered 3 bedrooms. Now it's time to see the 4th bedroom. Adjacent to the 3rd bedroom, adjacent to the lift, they have created this 4th bedroom. Look at that beauty which we can see from this bedroom, but let me show you the bedroom first, then I'll take you to that super green area they have created over here. The USP of this bedroom is this full wall-to-wall closet they have created over here. So they've used this sliding system over here. So ample storage space you get along with this. New height, new coverage, आपको storage बिल्कुल ऊपर तक मिलती है. Really good size of the washroom, the bedroom they have created over here. And to complement this bedroom, this is the ensuite bathroom that you get along with it. Now this bathroom has this lighter tone of the European stone they have used over here. Again, good looking glass mirror, Kohler luxury fittings hai, and all the washrooms are super spacious. This is the shower cubicle area. To make it very practical, again a niche has been created so you can store your shampoos, your conditioner, your bathroom essentials. And to add to the variety, हर bathroom के अंदर कुछ different element है. Like this has this silver finish के अंदर जो Kohler की fittings use करी हैं. किसी में हमने black color की देखी, किसी में हमने diffused gold देखी. So they have really maintained the variety along with it. Now let me show you one of the highlight जो आपने अभी तक GK2 में तो नहीं देखा होगा, स्पेशली 400 गज के अंदर इस साइज का ऐसा कुछ आपने नहीं देखा होगा, which I'm to showcase you right now. So So this is the rear courtyard you get in this apartment. Just look at the size of it. Could be very well be your mini terrace, the ideal coffee spot area, or the area where you can host your family and friends. There could be endless uses. इस तरह का space utilization 400 गज के अंदर very rarely we have ever seen in South Delhi. So this makes it super useful. So this is the basement that you get along with it, along with this basement ground triplex. It's basically a blank canvas. The flooring, Italian flooring has already been done. The false ceiling has already been done. Air cons, they've already left the points, but they can definitely, or they will be installing the air cons. It's a blank canvas, why I said, because इसके अलावा आप कोई partitions करना चाहते हैं, कोई अपने interior elements add करना चाहते हैं, you have all the liberty to do it as per your requirement, as per your taste, as per your needs. The best part about this basement is that you not only have this internal private lift, but also a common lift which we showed earlier. That also can be used along with this. So आपका कोई भी use scenario हो आप use कर सकते हैं. So there is a powder washroom, there is a pantry, and over here a natural ventilated sunken courtyard they have already given along with it. तो आप जिस तरह से इसको आप अपना डेकोरेट करना चाहें, अपने इंटीरियर के एलिमेंट्स ऐड करना चाहें, you can very well do so. I hope you enjoyed this property video tour by Team South Delhi Floors. Options like this won't sit in the market for very long because this is the only 400 square yards ready to move basement ground triplex in the entire of the GK2. And just to summarize you what we have already shown you, sitting on a wider peaceful road of GK2, the basement ground duplex gives you 3 car parking. You have the option of a private lift which is already installed, और उसके अलावा आपको एक secondary lift भी मिलती है इसके अंदर, which makes it super useful. 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms on the ground floor. You also have additional bathroom in the basement also. So if you want to know anything about this property, if you want to know the price, any query, any site visit query, any questions you have in your mind over here, DM us, you can put a comment, we'll reply to it. You can call at the given number and we'll be meeting you, we'll be showing you this super luxury property in GK2. Also, I hope you've already subscribed to South Delhi Floors. If you have not done it, please do so because we really work hard in showing you the best of the best real estate all over South Delhi. Thank you so much. See you till the next property.